Did you know that the monarch butterfly migrates 3,000 miles every year? Yes, you heard it right. These tiny creatures embark on a remarkable journey every fall, from the cooler regions of North America to the warmer climate of Mexico, navigating through winds and storms across vast landscapes and multiple countries. An adventure that, for some, can span over 2,000 miles. But what's more impressive about these winged adventurers is their lifespan. Unlike most other butterflies that live for only a few weeks, monarchs can live up to 8 months. That's nearly 30 times longer than their butterfly counterparts. This extended lifespan allows them to undertake their extraordinary migration and weather the winter months in Mexico before making the return journey. And let's not forget the monarch's incredible transformation. Starting life as a tiny caterpillar, it eats and grows until it's ready to form a chrysalis, a protective casing where the real magic happens. Over the course of about 2 weeks, the caterpillar metamorphoses into a stunning monarch butterfly, emerging with vibrant orange and black wings, ready to take on the world and embark on its monumental migration. So, the next time you see a monarch fluttering by, remember the incredible journey it's been on. From a tiny caterpillar to a long-distance migrant, the monarch butterfly is truly one of nature's most marvelous creatures. Ever wonder why honeybees are so important to our ecosystem? These buzzing beauties serve a crucial role that extends far beyond their honey-making abilities. They are nature's most diligent pollinators, aiding in the growth of a vast majority of plants that make up the world's food supply. Without the tireless work of honeybees, our plates would look significantly less colorful. But that's not all. They have a unique way of communicating with each other, a method known as the waggle dance. This dance, a series of intricate movements, is a bee's way of conveying the location of a food source to its fellow bees. Imagine being able to say, "Hey, the best flowers are 2 miles northeast from here," just by shaking your booty. Quite impressive, isn't it? And let's not forget about the queen bee, the heart of every hive. She's a birth-giving machine, capable of laying up to 2,000 eggs in a single day. That's more than most animals lay in their entire lifetime. She's the driving force that keeps the hive thriving, ensuring the continuity of these buzzing pollinators. So, the next time you enjoy a spoonful of honey or bite into a fresh apple, or stop to appreciate the beauty of a blooming flower, give a silent thanks to these industrious little creatures. Our world wouldn't be the same without the humble honeybees. Did you know praying mantises are one of the most fascinating insects out there? Let's dive into the world of these peculiar predators and discover what makes them so unique. First off, their hunting skills are nothing short of impressive. A praying mantis is a master of disguise, blending seamlessly into its environment. They're the perfect ambush predators, patiently waiting for their prey to come within reach, and then striking with lightning speed. Imagine being a fly, buzzing along without a care in the world, only to be snatched out of the air by a hidden assassin. That's the reality in the world of praying mantises. But what makes these insects even more unique is their ability to turn their heads a full 180 degrees. That's right, they can look over their shoulder without moving their bodies. This gives them a massive advantage in spotting potential prey and predators. And if you thought that was all, think again. One of the most intriguing and somewhat macabre facts about praying mantises is that females sometimes eat their mates. After or sometimes even during mating, the female mantis might decide that her partner would make a good meal. It's a harsh reality, but it provides the female with vital nutrients to ensure the survival of her offspring. So, the praying mantis isn't just another garden insect, it's a truly unique creature. Scene script. Ever heard of a snail that's as big as a small cat? Meet the giant African land snail. This isn't just a tall tail, it's a big snail tail. The giant African land snail is known to reach impressive lengths of up to 8 inches when fully grown. That's right, 8 inches. That's about the size of an adult human's hand or a small cat. Imagine stumbling upon one of these colossal creatures in your garden. Not only are they giant in size, but they also have giant lifespans, especially compared to other snails. While most snails live for only a few years, the giant African land snail can live up to 10 years under ideal conditions. That's a decade of slimy, shell-carrying existence. But what's even more mind-boggling is their ability to reproduce. A single giant African land snail can lay up to 1,200 eggs in a year. 1,200! That's an enormous potential for a population boom, given the right conditions. It's like a one-snail baby factory. These snails are native to Africa, as their name suggests, but have been found in various parts of the world. They are known for their voracious appetites, munching through vegetation and even munching on the paint and stucco of buildings. So, these aren't your everyday garden snails. These are truly giant wonders of nature. Are you afraid of spiders? What about the biggest spider in the world, the tarantula? This 8-legged behemoth can reach up to 11 inches in leg span, about the size of a dinner plate. That's right, a spider as large as your evening meal. But it's not just their size that's impressive. Tarantulas are among the longest living spiders, with some species living up to 25 years. That's a quarter of a century spent skulking around in the dark, hunting prey, and growing larger and larger. And if their size and longevity don't make them fascinating enough, consider their unique defense mechanism. When threatened, a tarantula can flick tiny barbed hairs from its abdomen at its predator. These hairs can cause irritation and even temporary blindness if they hit the eyes. So remember, tarantulas are more than just large spiders. They're fascinating, long-lived creatures with unique defense mechanisms.